1970.
Can you move your hand so I can get it 30?
So that's it. So you just rub that on there, work it into all the corners of the stone, get to the edges really good. Alright, the repair area has now been filled all the way up to the surface of the original, and we're going to cut that back once it sets up and gets hard, and make a mortar joint right here once that's ready to be cut in a couple hours. The patch is now finished. It's curing out. It's going to get lighter, and the actual cone finish has been placed on the side of it. You can see on the side and the bottom is cut for the mortar joint to be received at a later date. So that's ready to go. We'll let that set.